Hey guys, what's going on? We're going to review yet another Wi-Fi socket. This time though, we got one from Etekcity. In the box you get the instructions of awesomeness and the Wi-Fi sockets. If you're not familiar with Wi-Fi sockets, these are a great way to control power wirelessly to any device that's plugged in. It is a small little light to show when the unit is turned on, and a small button on the bottom to manually turn the power on and off. The setup is pretty simple. Just download the VC cap, pair the socket, and you're good to go with powering the socket remotely. These come with all the standard IoT features that you find on most Wi-Fi sockets, with scheduling, timers, away mode, electricity usage, the sharing feature for sharing control with friends and family, and of course, voice control via Google and Alexa. But beyond the standard features, what really stands out are the few details and quality of life features that Etekcity has included. First off, they have the round form factor, which means you can't stick two on the same outlet, which we don't like. But they did push the plug as far to the top as possible in order to minimize the socket crowding the other outlet. That we do like. Second, something so simple, just plain helpful, they stuck the QR code on the back of the socket to help you find the VSync app should you have lost the instructions. Also, they have an alternate pairing mode in case there are limitations with their primary method, which we found very useful since we have a mesh Wi-Fi system where the 5 GHz can't be turned off. And they have a discovery section in the app to help update customers on all sorts of information regarding sales, beta testing, and a bunch more. Leave a comment down below if you too like it when a company adds those small little touches that makes their product just a step above the rest. At $25 for two, this rounds out to be a really great product. Great build, great app, great features. 10 Wi-Fi sockets out of 10. Big thanks to Etekcity for providing these for a review. Check out their site for more information and head on over to their Amazon page to get a full listing of information, including videos from them on their own products. If you liked this video, you know what to do, and hit that subscribe button to get alerts when new reviews are posted.